So it's no secret that most of my cake recipes use cake flour, but what happens if you don't have any cake flour? I'm gonna show you how to make your own. And I love using cake flour is because I use something called the reverse creaming method, which results in about 2 minutes of some intense mixing, which really intensifies the gluten development. So we need a low protein cake flour so that things don't get overmixed and we end up with like bread texture. If you're using a recipe that doesn't use the reverse creaming method, it's totally okay to make your own cake flour using only 2 simple ingredients. So first we need 1 cup of regular all-purpose flour, and you're gonna lighten it a little bit so it's not so compacted. Scoop it and then level it off with a spatula or another straight edge. And if you're a baking science nerd like me, you know this is about 5 ounces of flour. Look at that. Oh, sorry. 5 ounces. And then we're going to remove 2 tablespoons of the flour, which is equal to about 1/2 of an ounce. Yeah, pretty close. And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or arrowroot powder. This is going to reduce the amount of overall protein that's in your cake flour, kind of faking a real cake flour. Make sure the scoops are level. 1 and 2. And now we're going to just sift this into another bowl with a sifter 2 times to make sure all of that cornstarch is evenly distributed through everything. And sift, sift, sift. Number 1. And sift, sift, sift. Number 2. And that's all there is to making your own cake flour substitute. And then if you need to make a lot of cake flour substitute at a time, you can always do several cups of it, store it in a separate container, and then you'll have cake flour substitute whenever you need it. Check out my blog post for more cake recipes that you don't even need cake flour for, or what recipes it's okay to use a cake flour substitute for.